I'm going to convert a repeating decimal to a fraction. And how I do this, I first take this number and I make it equivalent to x. So I say x is equal to 0.16, repeating. Right? The next step is I'm going to multiply both sides by 100. Okay, so in this case, this would be 100x. And this guy, if I multiply by 100, it'd be 16.16 repeating. So the next part's really kind of bizarre, but I just simply subtract x from both sides. So I subtract x from here, and which is the equivalent of saying 0.16. I subtract them both. So I end up being 99x equals 16. Well, I just subtract the back end of the repeater. So boom. So then to find out what the fraction would be, you just divide by 99. Divide this by 99. You'll end up with 16 over 99 as being your answer. Okay. That's one example. Let's show you what happens if you get something that has not both of them be repeated, but just part of it. It's going to be a little different. Okay. So for this one, I got the number. I'm going to type it in so you can really make sure you see what I'm doing. The number is 0.16, and the 6 is going to repeat. Okay. So this will be interesting. Okay. Much different in the sense, not both the numbers, just one of the numbers is repeating. Okay. So the first thing I want to do is say x is equal to 0.16 repeating. Okay. Now I'm going to want to try to get this thing to the front. And the reason why I do that is I just multiply this by 10. 10x equals 1.6 repeating. Okay. And then I'm going to take the same thing and now multiply it by 100. You're like, what is going on? 100x. So this ends up being 16.6 repeating. Right? Now I'm going to subtract the 10. So this is going to come back in here, and I'm subtracting it. Minus 10x equals 1.6 repeating. And you will end up with the value. This is 100 minus 10 is equal to 90x. And this would be, this is going to go away. I want to get rid of the repeating. That's what I'm doing. I'm getting rid of it. Now I have 16 minus 1 is 15, right? This is being subtracted. So I'm going to take that and go up to here for this part. So I have 90x equals 15. I divide by 90. I divide by 90. So x, and if I reduce this properly, is 1/6. So that's how you change a repeating decimal into a fraction.